So here's another one of my crappy videos. This one's showing you guys how I mounted my diffuser, because I've had a couple buyers already ask me how I mounted mine, and there's no right or wrong way of doing it. Honestly, the way I did it, it's kind of sloppy. You guys could take your time and do a better job, but just make sure it's on there good. So the first ones, obviously those little holes, just put some type of screws in here. I use just regular wood screws, just because that's the only ones that I have that are black by the license plate. And then down here on the exhaust area, this is not mounted. So I know I see this gap, that's because it's loose. I loosened it up so I can show you guys right now. But see how this side's good? So on this side, under the exhaust, I put screws right here, which that's what I consider kind of sloppy. And on this one, I did a neater job and I put a screw in this hole. So I slid a washer in and I put a screw in. That way it has a cleaner look. Either way, it doesn't matter because you can't see these screws. You have to look under for you to see these screws. You know, you'll never see it from when you're standing up, even at this angle. You have to literally go under. So coming to the side, you're gonna tuck this lip of the diffuser. This lip, you're gonna tuck it in here under the bumper, the OEM bumper. You're gonna first remove the OEM or the factory bolt that's in here, which is this one. Remove that, and then you're gonna slide your diffuser in. It's gonna be a tight fit. I'm not saying it's gonna just slide in. You're gonna struggle a little bit, not too much, but you're gonna struggle a little bit. So, you know, you're gonna slide it in. Let me show you an example. It's gonna be hard for me because I'm only using one hand. I'm filming with the other one, but you know, you're gonna slide it into it. You pretty much have it flush, and then just make your hole. Because I do these by hand, so I'm not always gonna be accurate. I might be accurate. The hole might not be big enough, but what you could do is just make the hole with just the drill. Like the other side, I just made the hole with that drill bit. Just keep drilling and it'll go in. Or you can just get a drill bit. But like I said, I'm sloppy about it. Like, I'll even do it right now in this video. So now I have, see that hole right there that I just made? Now I can just put my bolt in and it should go in. So what you're gonna do is, once you put that bolt in there, it's gonna hold it and then it should be tight. I went ahead and did more screws in here. Just like I said, I just want to have that extra, you know, mounting points. And it'll look something like this. See how this side's nice and tight and it's flush. Like I said, I could have done a better job. I could have painted these red, but I don't care. It's so low, like you're not gonna see them. And I need to paint this diffuser still. But I just wanted to mount to the diffuser just to show you guys that, you know, they fit, and also how to mount them. And then the back, where it hangs from the bottom, I will be doing that later. But I'm gonna try to get more mounts somewhere in there. No, I'll have more pictures.